Google has announced that they are launching their new responsive search ads after a year of testing in beta. Responsive search ads will test different groups of ads to establish which combinations work best. This feedback will monitor the performance of your ads, headlines, and descriptions, and will automatically select the best for promotion. These new responsive search ads are now available in all languages for all advertisers in the Google Ads editor, mobile app, and the API. As part of this launch, Google has introduced two new Google Ads columns. Performance. The new performance column will help to clarify which of your ads are sending the most traffic and driving results. Over time, you can amend the copy on the low-rated assets to improve performance. Ad variations. This column allows you to create your own tests of the copy for your ads to see how the different variations perform. The new responsive search ads have been set to drive up to 44% more incremental site traffic, which has led to an overall increase in conversions. Hope you like this video. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.